What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. I'm actually wearing Weekend Bandit shirt, one of the shirts that are gonna be for sale hopefully soon this week. Yeah, I'm actually having a little bit of lunch right now with my brother. After that, I'm actually gonna go to one of my buddies' houses and we're gonna do a little bit of installation on a couple parts I got. Like, for example, yesterday I got the hybrid racing B-series shifter. That thing's sick. Like, I saw it. Looks amazing. We'll see how it turns out and everything. And I actually caught the FedEx guy like at the perfect moment. So I got my top one rear diffuser. I'll tell you guys about that in a little bit because that's a whole story. So yeah. Alright guys, just made it to Mark's place. We're gonna be installing the hybrid shifter and we're gonna hopefully be installing the rear diffuser. That rear diffuser has been taking so damn long to get here. So, a little backstory on the whole thing. Top one, pretty much I ordered it. I never got an email or anything saying that, hey, you ordered a part from Top One, this and that. So, about a month goes by. I ordered this diffuser in like December 12th or 13th, something like that. And a month goes by, and I'm like, man, like, what's going on with this diffuser or whatever? So, I hit these guys up and I'm like on Instagram. And I'm like, hey, just want to let you know I ordered a part from you guys, but I never got an email or anything. I was just wondering what's going on. And they were like, oh yeah, we're pretty much working on it. If it's not like that higher priority, then, you know, let us know or whatever. If it is, then let us know as well so we could ship it and make it process a little bit faster or whatever. So I was like, I wasn't really in a rush for it or anything, but at the same time, it's like, yo, you don't take that long to like ship out a part or whatever. So long story short, 3 months goes by, they make a shipping label about a month ago, and I keep on looking at the shipping, like if it's gonna update or not, doesn't update. So I'm over here like, what's going on? I received the part today and it's just, man, I feel like the customer service in Top One is like very, very poor. Yes, I get it that like they have to hand make these parts and then like they have a bunch of other people that they're also like dealing with, but yo, like 3 months for a damn diffuser, like that's crazy. Like, I'd understand if this thing was coming from Japan or something, but it's coming from Cali. Like, really? Anyways, that's probably the only part that I'll ever buy from Top One. Just so you guys know, if you guys ever go through Top One, that's some helpful experience for you guys to look forward to. Let's see what kind of color Mark has.
Hey, what's up guys, how's it going?
So, tell us a little bit about your car, dog.
This is a 2018 Civic Type R. I've had it for about a year, daily driven.
Hey.
So it gets a lot of miles. I've put about 17,000 miles in 1 year.
Jesus.
But it's fun, you know, I mean, I commute every day.
Why have a Type R if you're not gonna drive it, right?
I know, right? Put used to it.
Yep. Thing is sick, man. Like, I love this. It has tasteful mods. It has what? Advan wheels, Yokohama Advan tires. It has HKS exhaust. Like, this thing is amazing. Looks awesome. That's crazy. I love this.
Cool down a little bit. It gets
Oh yeah. Took the little plastic cover off. Got the HKS blow off valve. That's pretty sick, man. Oh, what kind of car did you have before this?
Oh, okay. Prior to this, I had a 98 spec Integra Type R that was imported here in Orlando, and I had that for about 2 years. It was a really good car. I wish I had it here to show you guys. But it was white. Had red Recaros. It was on Mugen suspension. Had a Mugen catback. But for the most part, I was restoring it. So I had the wheels redone. Center caps, actually.
Yeah, I saw those.
Yeah, so these are the old center caps.
Yeah.
And then I actually found a guy in Malaysia who had an ITR, and he was selling used caps that were better condition than these, but not perfect.
Yeah.
But those still cost me like $250.
Jesus.
Just for caps. That's why if anybody wants to buy this.
Right. So yeah, it's pretty dope. Pretty dope. But yeah, we're gonna start working on my POS and yeah, maybe a little wipe down or something, because this thing is hella dirty. And we got a car meet to go to later tonight, so I'm gonna try to convince Mark to go to the meet. All right, guys, I'll see y'all soon. Well, guys, this is the diffuser. This thing looks sick. Even though it took a long ass wait, I'm still excited to put it on and everything. So that's pretty sick, though. Looks awesome. Now, this is before, guys. So, you know, she's pretty hurt, pretty ugly. Sorry the focus keeps doing that. But yeah, let's try to see if it makes a lot of a difference, or if it makes a difference at all. Well, I figured out I need a drill, because not all the holes were drilled to mount it up or whatever. And Mark doesn't have a drill, so I'm probably gonna go to my buddy Tony's shop, and we're probably gonna do it over there before the meet tonight. So yeah, oh well. But I can still try to install the shifter right now. Let's see if that works. You know, if only all these aftermarket parts came with instructions, right, Mark?
Right, dude. What the hell?
Well, Mark's under there trying to, he's trying to like get his hands, because he has tiny little Asian hands, and he's trying to get basically, there's two bushings and then there's a spacer and a bolt that needs to go on the bottom of the shifter, and he's trying to get that all put together, because I put everything together, but I put the spacer on the outside, and there's still play in like the whole like thing down there. So I don't know, we're trying to figure out where everything goes, and without instructions it's kind of a pain in the ass. And yeah, I'm probably gonna look up some YouTube videos or something. So yeah, that's pretty much a little update on where we're at right now with this shifter. But update, we also got a drill from one of the guys, housekeeping guys or whatever, maintenance guys actually, and we might be putting on the diffuser. Depends if time gives us enough time. So yeah. All right, so we ultimately decided to take one of the shift linkages off of the mounting point on the transmission, and basically we got everything together. Actually, a spacer goes on that side, on the shorter side, just so you guys know if you guys are installing one. We basically looked at Aisha built on YouTube, and she had a pretty good explanation on how to install one of these. So if you guys have any questions or anything like that, you could also check out hybridracing.com and check out their instructional pictures and, you know, all that stuff as well. So all we got to do now is basically put it into the car and install the shift linkage on that side onto the transmission again, and basically we're done. So I don't know, I guess it took longer than it was supposed to, but hey, at least we got everything done now, and we just got to put everything back on. So after that, should be good. And we're not able to install the diffuser today because the guy that let us borrow the drill, the maintenance guy, actually he left at 5, so he had to take back his drill. But yeah, mother. Oh jeez, guys, so it was a mission after the whole thing. Alright, so I connected that point back, looks good. So right now I'm about to cycle through the gears and make sure everything's good. Bringing back memories, bro?
Oh, it does, dude.
Love how that shifter looks, man.
Looks awesome.
Yeah.
Very nice.
If you guys want a review on this car, let me know. We've been planning on it. Just need to make time for it. Stop riding my clutch. There you go. Jeez. It's used to this. So we low-key traded cars. That's my car now. What do you guys think? The car's amazing, you know. You got money. Look. What do you think?
It brings back memories.
Brings back memories?
Yeah. It's just really like you get so used to driving one kind of car, it's hard to get into something like this.
Oh yeah.
And the clutch, the feeling is so different. Let's turn it up.
Yeah.
Feels good though. I like the shifter, really nice.
Word. Thanks.
It looks beautiful too.
$300 better fucking feel nice. Alright guys, so since I'm trying to be smart, that was the installation video of my hybrid shifter. Hope you guys enjoyed that. If you guys did, leave a thumbs up. If not, then you know, just do whatever you want with your life. But it wasn't really very instructional because this kind of not really what the whole vlog was about. But at the same time, I might title this vlog hybrid shifter install or whatever. I kind of tried my best. It wasn't really like, I don't know. There's other instructional videos that are better than mine. Basically what I'm trying to tell you. And I know that I wasn't like doing my best to show you guys everything, because honestly I just wanted to put it in. I was at my friend's house and I wasn't really, like, he had other things to do, so I was trying to do it as quickly as I could. But with the diffuser, that's gonna be with the next video, so if you guys want, check out the next video. It's gonna be the top one rear diffuser, full diffuser gonna be installed. I'll see you guys next time. Deuces, one love.